Hello everyone and welcome back to the new SwiftUI Animation tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to learn how we can create this something went wrong animation. So here if we can see, this animation is showing that something went wrong, but it is just a generic one. You can add your own card or you can add any image that you want to show that. Like, let's create a scenario if we have a credit card information entered incorrectly. So you can show that the information added is incorrect or something like that, and you can add your card and you can shake that. So it's something went wrong animation, but you can add your own image and you can create this animation. So let's get started. First of all, we have a vector view and then we have a bottom container view. So we have divided our code into two parts. The first one is vector, another one is bottom content view. So if we see, our VStack is dividing vertically our vector view and bottom content view. So let's see what we have inside our vector view. Inside our vector view, we have a Z stack, and in that Z stack we have added the first circle which has a gray opacity, and if you observe, we have another circle which is animating with a scale effect. So then we have a circle filled with white opacity, and it is having an attribute of scale effect. So scale effect scales your circle, or it could be any image, in vertical and horizontal direction. Then we have image. We have two image. If we look closely, we have disabled and enabled image. Enabled is with the red and black borders and disabled is with gray color. So by default we have disabled, but we are changing opacity of is enabled whenever we need to make it active. And in order to make it in order to shake it, we have our dot offset, and we are moving in X direction from 5 to -5. Then we have on appear, and in that on appear we have added with animation. Then with animation we have linear, we have added duration and delay, and this is going to repeat forever until and unless this view is on your screen. Then we have with animation, and in this second with animation we have added the shake dot toggle, which are going to toggle our shake value from true to false and false to true, and by which we are going to have this shake animation. Then we have a bottom content view, and in that bottom content view we have two texts and one button. So you can see that first text is oops, and then look like something went wrong, and then we have a button. So this is how we have created something went wrong animation. We have vector view and bottom content view. We have added spacer in the V stack in order to make it center horizontally in the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for further more tutorials.